In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your menu using the new Zoho One navigation. First, click on the CRM icon here. Make sure you are on modules at the top. All the modules and CRM menu options are displayed, and you can use the search to find what you need. For example, if I wanted to open purchase orders, there they are. The modules you use most should be at the top of the list. For example, the home page, inquiry, and the job pipeline. On the left bar, you have the other applications. For example, Zoho Projects. If you open the link from here, you will be direct to the project application. To get back to CRM, you click on the CRM icon. But you also have projects in CRM under the menu. If you search for projects, you can see it here. If I click on this project link, projects is embedded into the CRM making. It is quick and easy to switch back to sales and job pipelines. So let me show you how to make it appear at the top. Go to Settings. Now under the Setup menu, search for Teamspace. Each one of these Teamspace folders represent groups of navigation. For example, if I want to see all modules related to CRM settings, I can go to Settings and Templates. Here you can see all the modules used for company, estimating templates, inventory, portal configuration, and menu settings. From here you can add more modules if required. Add create subfolders. Let's go back to example Teamspace folder. As we mentioned, we want Zoho Projects to appear at the top. We can see projects here. You just need to drag it to the correct position and then click on Save. Click on the red X to go back to the CRM modules. And now you can see projects is in the correct position. Let's go back and click on Settings again. It remembers we were last in Teamspace and takes us straight there. I'm opening example Teamspace. This time we are going to create a sub-navigation folder for customer records, leads, accounts, and contacts. Click on Create Folder and it will drop to the bottom. Use the edit icon to give it a name. Then click on the green tick to save. Now drag the folder to your preferred position. Now, I'm going to drag the leads, accounts, and contact modules under the new folder. Make sure you put your folders into the correct position before dragging in modules. And moving folders around does not move the underlying modules with them. When you drag a module under a folder, move it slightly to the right, so the module name looks indented, which means it's part of the folder structure. Now click on Save and close Settings again. You now have a sub-navigation for your module structure. On the right-hand side, you also have your Teamspace folders. If you click on the Settings and Templates, only the modules added to this Teamspace folder are displayed, providing another option that makes it easy to find your folders. But you can also assign users, so the navigation is configured based on the division of the business they work in. Go back to Settings. Again, you are back to where you last left off. Click on Settings and scroll down to Permissions. Here you can select which users have access to each Teamspace. Modules can be added to more than one Teamspace to ensure everyone can see what they need. From here, you can also disable the dashboards and reports. Let's turn these off and go back. As you can see when I'm viewing the Settings and Templates, Teamspace, the dashboards and navigation are hidden. But if I switch the Teamspace to example Teamspace, they appear again. If you don't want to keep a Teamspace folder, it can be deleted by clicking on the rubbish bin, as long as it's not a default one. We will go ahead and delete the example Teamspace. Have a look at how we've configured your Builder's Excellence Teamspace folders to streamline your navigation, and follow the steps in this video if you want to customize this further.